Good day, ma'am. I am James Howard Salia from BSHM, and today I will discuss about the Chapter 5, the Law on Sales, Agency, and Credit the Transactions. So, our topic outline for today, laws on sales, characteristics of contract of sale, requisite of the contracts of sale, effect of laws of the object in the contracts of sale of personal property payable in an installment, double sale, pacto director sale, obligation of the vendor, obligations of the vendee, law of agency, liability of the principal and the agent, simple loan or mutuum, pactum or commercium, com- commissiorum. So our learning objectives described and explain the nature of sales transactions, identify the ways of handling credit transactions, third, identify the functions and operation of agencies in the industry. Law on sale. In the tourism, travel, and hospitality industry, agreement of arising from a contracts will have to be made, and potential breach from this agreement will be encountered. A contract of sale is one of the usual contracts being encountered by the industry concerned. This will be give you an overview of the different sales transaction we may be encountered, including the remedies of the parties concerned. Characteristics of the contracts of the sale. First, consensual. Second, bilateral. Third, principal. Fourth, onerous. Fifth, commu- commutative. Six, nominate. Seven, transmissive of ownership. Requisite of the contracts of the sale. First, consent. The following are disqualified to enter into the contracts: husband and wife, and the following person cannot be acquired by a purchase, even public auctions. Effects of a loss of the object in the contracts of the sale. The law, Article 1480, any injury to or benefit from the thing sold after the contract has been perfected from the moment of perfection of the contract to the time of delivery should be governed by the Articles 1262, Article 1262, an obligation which consists in the delivery of determinate thing should be extinguished if it should be a loss or destroyed without the fault of the debtor, and before he has incurred in delay. Article 1496, the ownership of the thing sold is acquired by the vendor from the moment it is delivered to him to in any manner of the ways of specific in Articles 1497 to 1501, or any other manners signifying an agreement that the position is transferred from the vendors to the vendor. Sales of a personal property payable in installment. The law, Article 1484, in a contract of sale of a personal property, the price of which is payable in installments, the vendors may exercise any of the following remedies. First, exact fulfillment of the obligation should be a vendor fail to pay. Second, cancel the sale should be a vendor failure to pay cover two or more installments. Third, foreclose the chattel mortgage of the thing sold. If there has been a constituted, should be a vendor failure to pay a cover two or more installments. In in this case, he should have no further action against the purchaser to recover any unpaid balance of the price. Any agreement to the contrary should be void. Double sale. The law, Article 1544, if the same thing should have been sold to different vendors, the ownership should be transferred to the person who may have first taken possession in a good faith. It should be a movable property. Should it be a immovable property, the ownership should belong to the person acquiring it who in a good faith first recorded in the registry of property. Should there be no inscription, the ownership should pertain to the person who in the good faith was first in the possession, and in this absence of thereof of to the person who presents the oldest title, provided there is a good faith. Pacto de rectorem sale or conventional redemption. The law, Article 1601, convention redemption should take place when the vendors receive the rights of receive to repurchase the thing sold, with the obligation to comply with the provision of the Article 1616 and the other stipulation which maybe have been agreed upon. Obligations of the vendors. The law, Article 1495, the vendors is bound to transfer the ownership of the delivery as well as a warranting which is the object of the sale. Article 1496, the ownership of the thing sold is acquired a vendee from the moment it is delivered to him. Article 1497, the thing sold should be understood as a delivered with when it is placed into the control or possession of the vendee. Obligation of the vendee. The law, Article 1582, the vendee is bound to accept a delivery and pay the price of the things sold at the time and place stipulated in the contract. Law on agency. The hotel, tourism, and hospitality industry cannot do away with the agencies which will facilitate various transaction in dealing with the third persons. Hence, there is a need to understand the operations of agencies working on behalf of the principal belonging to the hotel, tourism, and hospitality industry. The law, Article 1868, by the contracts of agency, a person binds himself to render some service or to do something representation of the behalf of other with the consent of the authority of the latter. Liability of the principal and the agent. The law, Article 1883, if the agent acts in his own name, the principal has no right of action against the person with whom the agent of contracted, neither have such persons, agents, and the principal. In such case, the agent is one of directly bound in the favor of the person with whom has contracted as a transaction where his own, except when the contract involved the things belonging in the principal. Loan or motum. The law, Article 1956, no interest shall be due unless it has been expressly stipulated in the writing. Pactum Commercium. The law, Article 2088, the creditor cannot be appropriate the thing given by way of a pledge or mortgage or dispose of them. Any stipulation to the contrary is null or void. Thank you.